Y'all, I got me a new foundation. The packaging is real cute. Like, I know I opened it all wrong. And then when you open it, it got little here, like a party pack. Then it came in this cute box. Look at that. It's right here, but it's called Makiage, and it's based out of Israel. And oh my god, I really want to see what the hype is for it. My English is really messy, okay? So please don't judge me. See, please don't judge me. I'm going to try this new foundation. I'm a Fenty. I'm loyal to Fenty, okay? I'm loyal to my girl Riri. However, I want to make sure that, you know, I just want to try something different. Not to say I'm becoming a backstabber. I got the shade 160, woke up like this. Ooh, woke up like this. But anyways, so I'm going to try this foundation, as well as I'm still doing my Valentine's Day special.
Doing so many different ideas.
From the Colourpop, see? I can't talk. From the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette. So let's get to it. Well, fast forwarding the primer and how I apply the foundation. It smells good, but I'm loyal to Fenty. I'm using NYX as my concealer and LA Girl over my eyelids. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. I contour. I also contour my nose. So I am starting with Icy Me in my crease. Alright, so I'm using Feel Free to put in my outer corners, as well as blending that in with Icy Me. So now with a flat brush, I'm going to take Meadow and blend that in above my crease. Now with the same brush, I'm going to take Work It and blend that above my crease. I'm going to take Work It and blend that in my crease. Now I'm going to take Icy Me and blend that in my outer corners. Just to lighten up my corners, I'm going to put Work It up in there. I'm still blending Work It in them corners. I really felt like my corners was really dark, so I'm really taking Work It and blending that in to make it a soft, like pinkish. Promise, like, makeup is not simple. Like, trying to match the other side using the same techniques that you used before, for some reason, cannot match. So the best thing you can do is try to match it as much as you can. Now with a skinny fine brush, you're gonna cut your crease. Now with a flat, firm brush, I'm gonna take Dream Maker and put that in my inner corners. All right, now I'm gonna put Meadow in the middle. So now I'm gonna take Icy Me and I'm gonna put that in my outer corners. I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and apply that on my crease. Now with a little brush like this, you're gonna take Prima Drama and I'm gonna apply that where I applied the glue. Now I did apply a little more glitter on this side than I did on the first eye, but it's all good. So with a smudge brush, I'm gonna apply Meadow and Icy Me under my eyelids on both eyes. Oh, here is the final look. Your girl looking good as always, but this foundation is not. I cannot get jiggy with it, but remember to subscribe, like, and comment.